commission and all. He was very close to the family. Later he was in Sarkariya commission, all this number of posts he was over no question. Then next meeting one stuck, that night itself I couldn't sleep. That fire of enthusiasm in one momentous meeting which it created. I thought, how we can meet, such people in the sense, how to get such a position in life, to go and all. That is the only thought which was happening. So that passion was there. Then I went and asked him, I want to do civil service, what should I do? I told him, only graduate, should I do MA? He told, why should you waste your time? Graduate will do, you have to choose only 2 subjects. If you want, I will put you on to some fellow who has recently got through, he will give you the full ideas. So this happened in 80. In 83, when I got through, I met Mrs. Gandhi. So normally when you get into the service, they take you to the Prime Minister. So I thought it took only 3 years, 2.5 years, that passion, that meeting has electrified the thoughts. That has created the fire in which I thought, I should also follow. For that only the 10,000 odd hours which you talk about putting hard work of studying these general studies or your subject and other things and all. After that, that is the only thing, the career which I chose, because mainly what happens in civil service is compared to other services, it is not a pay packet or anything. Here you have a larger view of life. See, because if you are in a company where it happens is, if a CEO of a company, even a Infosys or CTS, you are concerned with 12,000 human beings and maximization of profit for that organization. Here, even as a sub-collector, you touch the lives of 22 lakhs people. Even as a collector in a major district in Tamil Nadu or somewhere, where you touch. Only thing is the government, the work may be a little slow, where so many people delay. Not that officers are responsible for it and all. The system itself is, because ours is a country where, it is a multi-religious society, multi-ethnic society, multi-linguistic society, where the progress is not even. You have to work with the politicians. Apart from that, what you deal with is public money. So that is why lot of rules and regulations, checks and balances are kept. If you are in a private company, you can sanction 10,000 rupees to somebody if he falls sick. But in government, you cannot do that. You have to follow some steps which are highly essential. In spite of all the checks and balances, today you see in newspaper what has happened in Commonwealth Games. Correct? The rampant corruption you see in so many tenders and so many this thing. So that is how it led me, and I never had any regret on that. So you enjoy your this thing, where really if you want to help people, you can give a helping hand to so many people. And it gives a sense of satisfaction, it gives a recognition, it gives an identity. Even after I left my service, I took VRS also. Even if I want to go to income tax office or customs, or you want to do something good for anybody, where immediately with your title you can go. And your voice is heard also. Even though you may be brilliant in a private sector, but your voice may not be heard. Correct? Here it gives a, because the resources in government are more. All said and done, even though market economy is there, privatization is there, huge money is in private hands, even the biggest private sector people also depend upon the government for anything. That is one thing. Any other question? Any other question is there? Ask me. Anybody else? Then we will come to this personality and interview part of it. Because many of you are in second year, isn't it? So in a few months you will have to face interview board. Correct. See, what happens in interview is, for that matter, most of all your titles and qualification to certain extent only. What you can flash around is 70% is underneath that personality only people count. Okay. Education, whatever your academic accomplishments, it is only to certain extent. Your interpersonal skills, your leadership qualities, your communication skills, your core ethics which you hold, apart from that the empathy factor, and underneath the personality what one person has got, that mainly is counts. The way you appear for the interview, because first you are seen, then only you are heard. You are talking, or even the way you enter with your body language. Enter there in front of 4 people, you sit to itself, 40% or minimum marks, average marks you get. the way you knock the door and then with a smiling face. When you shake hands itself, you should put both your heart and soul, correct? Before he extends his hand, you must touch his heart, correct? You make your presence in such a way, wherever you go also, I am telling you, wherever you go also, the light should light up. All eyes should light up by the time your presence is there. They also gain, that fragrance comes only, these are all comes only over a periodic time. You visualize a board, you visualize the interview board, talk amongst your own people. Before that interview, get into the domain knowledge, go to the website of the company, what they do, what their product, who started it, everything. After that, the possible questions, mental rehearsal you yourself ask or discuss with your friends. Normally, the mental rehearsal, visualizing a board when you do, in actual practice, the impact is double. Before anything, that is what Churchill used to do, it seems, in front of the mirror holding the glass, he used to give his practice his speech, it seems. For all that, imagine, he used to feel shy in front of crowd, it seems. Even if you take the case of Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru, when he was a teenaged boy, he writes an autobiography. He refused to come to the ground floor from first floor because for the fear of shyness, that any relative friends comes, his father's friend in the sense, he will run away, it seems. And you cannot imagine that over a period of time, he stood in front of so many people and wrote about Rise with Destiny. Correct? So, such is the case with the Mammoth leaders, so many people who have come up. So, all that in the plane of spiritual plane itself, you interact with him, he cannot say no even to you, like that kind of a trait. Because you don't get a second chance to impress. In interviews, you don't get a second chance to impress. As I told you, communication, and never roundabout talk also. If somebody doesn't know, better to admit I don't know. That is another thing. And what is inside only it comes out, If you eat mango, when you are giving hiccup, only the mango fragrance will come, correct? So your words or your language or anything. So even the educational fragrance with some people's face itself will be stamped, By your very presence they can make out. All that you can accumulate. Because nobody has started all in a lofty plane. All started only from zero. So don't set limitations, that is the only thing. You are a limitless human being, but only thing is each and every being is made up in a unique way. Follow the universal principles of success and make your own brand. Because everybody is made up of in a unique way. And as regards some of your working this thing is concerned, innovate and then apply the technologies which are open to you. Nowadays, so much of technology in internet it has come. Where, people, I have seen where innovation is one thing, because nobody likes, today should be better than yesterday, correct? Tomorrow should be better than today. Nobody likes to take bath in a stagnant pool of water, correct? Even if it is in a swimming pool also, they go on cleaning up every day. Putting this thing is, nobody likes to have old stuff in a new package, correct? So innovation, there are plethora of opportunities possible. You take the case of Economic Times, they write about the power of ideas, where they hold conferences where people all should go and attend and read some of the things face off when they put in Economic Times. Even if you don't have time to go through these extra books, at least some Business Line, Business Today, or even Economic Times. Some of the magazines like, Business India and all, where they write about the companies, where there are many first generation entrepreneurs like Everon or somebody. The other day, one fellow's practical thing where he has posted. In Nungambakkam, he has opened a cafe, Italian cafe. Okay, Nungambakkam, Italian cafe. In that Italian cafe, he writes that was also came in Economic Times only. It seems first 1 month the sales was dull. And imagine his innovation of using Facebook to do this thing. The social networks also, a lot of articles comes, how you can use it also as a powerful this thing for your HR as well as for your resume, everything and all. Not that only for chatting. Chatting also you do side by side, this also you can do. So in Facebook it seems he put it. Afterwards he found his sales was 300% up. So he made a small feedback form to all his customers. It is an Italian restaurant in the Kadar Nawaz Khan Road in Nungambakkam. They all told it seems it is only through Facebook they came here, the network. So even applying technology, the other day I found one IIM Calcutta lady for bus ticketing and theatre ticketing. People start doing it. That for all that you need the domain knowledge, little bit of experience. These days seed capital or money is no problem. So never crave for title or your vice president or money or anything. Chase values, all these things automatically will chase you. Correct? So you don't know titles and money is not very big enough. Once when you have these core values and your leadership, money will start chasing you. When the lotus blooms, all the bees will automatically suck the honey. Correct? So first let the lotus bloom, make your personality like a lotus, all the things automatically comes. Everything as a farmer, you have to give the period of time. Instant success is not possible. Many of them think that instant success or quick solutions are, you have to have the path or those circuitous route where many obstacles comes, many this thing comes, where you have to circumvent all these things. After that only one achieves. One achieves success with that, one feels happy also. Because moral shortcuts have a heavy price tag also. Shortcuts into success is not there. You have to have this when you are a fulfilled person, where you can generate leaders amongst you. You can be a super leader, not even teach him, give him a fish, as what they say, you will be fed only for that day. Correct? Teach him how to do fishing, he will be fed for the entire life. Bring happiness for the people who are surrounding you, joy to people, elevate people, automatically you will elevate yourself. You enhance somebody's life, you will enhance twice or thrice. This is, is a timeless virtue or eternal truth. Where many people have seen it. Because in this there is no second opinion about it. And many of the leaders have achieved that. Be a human dynamo, radiate energy always. Even with friends or something, if you can bring a small joy, that itself is make a better place to live this earth and the society also. Correct? Because when you go to the graveyard, both the CEO and the sweeper, you will be buried in the same place. Correct? Only thing is before that, we will make our footprints here. Correct? We will make our footprints and make our presence well within these 29,000 days and 960 months, provided we live till 80. That itself is a question these days. Correct? Because our average mortality rate in India is only 68. So, whatever I had, honestly, I felt, I thought I shared some of these things. So, what you should, I feel at least a handful of you, if you are given thought, if it has provoked your thought or some of the ideas, if you can apply your mind and think about it when you are in your room, if it engulfs or if it creates as an electric spark in your this thing, if it has a magnetic effect on you, I will be happy. Because one this thing is, your knowledge and education will always, that is the foundation, will always take you to the longer run. That is what Narayana Murthy, whenever he gives any lecture in any education institution, he tells one this thing, a Sanskrit sloga, where he says that Grahane Pujyate Grahapadiko, that is within the household, you worship the head of the family. Gramine Pujyate Gramini. And Deshme Pujyate Raja. Within the country, worship the Raja. Within the Gram, the Gramini, the head of the Panchayat. Vidyadhari Sarvajaga Pujyate. An educated person is worshipped all over the universe. Correct? This tradition today also it is there. Our gurus are not lost their respect. Correct? So with that keep in mind and make education as your biggest asset. And then get that helium stuff of knowledge with the practical interpersonal skills, your language, your words charged with spirit, automatically you will all shine well. And I wish you all the best in your career, and I wish you should make your parents proud, make your institution proud, make your teachers proud, and make your community proud. In the longer run, make the country itself as proud and robust and resurgent in the community of nations. Thank you.